Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I really come with something different today. I'm making DIY with Small Kulhad. The material we require for today's DIY is molded clay, any kind of Dori you can use, acrylic paint, Fevicryl, paper napkins, detailing brush and other brushes, 2 Small Kulhad and Fevicryl 3D outliner. So let's start. Take out Fevicryl molded clay and mix them properly. Make the dough out of it. We will require 2 Small Kulhad. From molded clay, I'm going to make 2 faces. Do the detailing work on the face when it is wet. Make the hole from the center of the head. Same with the another face. Rest these faces for 2 hours to dry. I'm painting the Kulhad first with white acrylic paint because these Kulhads are very dark in color, so that other colors will not be able to set on it easily. For making the legs, I have mixed water and Fevicol in a bowl and dipping the paper napkin in it and wrapping it around the lace. I have cut paper napkin in small pieces. Now I am applying red color on the Kulhad. Now the another one. Oops, this is so transparent, so I have to apply another coat on it. Color the faces of the dolls and fix thread into the hole. Decorate the Kulhad as per your choice. I am using 3D outliner to draw the flowers. You can draw any other drawing on the Kulhad. Draw the eyes with detailing brush and draw it very carefully. Stick the legs from inside. I secured their heads with the help of Fevicryl. You can use glue gun if you have. Let the dolls dry completely. Tada! Our charming and beautiful dolls are ready to flaunt. Dear friends, do try these dolls at home and don't forget to share your reviews with me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Stay safe and take care.